Hey, welcome back. If you already watched my last vlog, you know how I built Deskcon, an asterisk desk setup platform from scratch, where I've covered why I built it, the full stack I used, and how I got it off the ground. So today's vlog is going to be even more special. This is more than just building with code. This is about showing up every day, even when nobody is watching, and using the tools smartly, staying in the flow, and building something real as a solo dev. When you are a solopreneur, you are everything: founder, designer, developer, and marketer. And it is tough. You'll feel imposter syndrome. You'll feel like quitting. But the key: don't chase perfection, chase progress. I learned to split my weeks into energy zones: creative mornings for UI, focused afternoons for backend, and weekends to plan and reflect. Just like this. I journaled wins. I forgave slow days. I celebrated even 1% improvements. That's the mindset that kept me going. Let's talk about the vibe. For me, it starts with good coffee, lo-fi beats, and dim lighting. Then I open up VS Code, my notepad, and start with just one small task. This flow helped me avoid burnouts. I wasn't just coding, I was enjoying the process. I documented my progress, posted stories, tweeted about my bugs. It made me feel part of something bigger. Small touches like organizing my desk or customizing a clean, distraction free terminal made my workspace feel more like a creative studio than just a coding desk. This might sound silly, but coding became a form of meditation to me. AI completely transformed the way I build. It wasn't just about using ChatGPT to fix bugs or write snippets. It became a creative partner. Claude and V0 played a huge role in development. Claude helped me refine the UX copy, while V0 transformed rough wireframe ideas into clean, production-ready UI mockups. And ChatGPT became a go-to for planning logical flows. It wasn't about shortcuts. It was about collaborating smarter, moving faster, and breaking through creative blocks. And more importantly, it gave me the confidence to start. The first HTML file, the first API route, the first deployed version. AI didn't build the product. It built with me. Here is the underrated part: posting your journey. I posted my failures, mockups, and even my late night doubts. Surprisingly, people resonated with it. Some offered help, some just said, "Same bro." And that's the beauty of building in public. You are not showing off, you are building trust, you are inviting people into the process. You don't need a perfect launch, you just need to show up consistently, honestly, and people will connect. If you are building solo, remember this: you are not alone. Tools exist, people exist, and your idea matters. Get into the flow, use the tech, and share your story. If you like this vlog, please do check out my last one where I built Deskcon from scratch. It is packed with full of real moments and full stack journey. And stay tuned for the next one because I'll be introducing a brand new idea and planning to build it with you guys from scratch. Until then, keep building and keep showing up. Thank you.